So this is part 2 to yesterday's video of rebuilding the Genesis. So right now I'm on my way to the shop. My dad already sent me pictures this morning how he pulled off the oil pan while I was at work. There's a lot of metal shavings, so I'm just gonna have to hope for the best. I'm gonna try to pull the crankshaft out, see what's up with it. I'm gonna see if we're gonna need to change any rods, if we have to change the crankshaft even. I'm hoping it'll be okay and I could just get it resurfaced at a machine shop, because that would be the better option. It would cost a little bit less. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the shop. So I got to the shop today. My dad already pulled the timing cover off. He pulled all that stuff off. Pulled off the oil pan, pulled off this bottom piece. So this is our third cylinder, this is our second cylinder. So the second cylinder, the bearings completely melted and like broke off, and kind of makes sense. Luckily, this is here. Yeah, it's gonna need to get replaced probably. This third cylinder, the bearing itself like got beat on the inside. I don't know if it's gonna show on camera, but both sides of the bearings have scuffs and like they're like all beat up and chunks of metal missing. Otherwise, the rest of the cylinders look pretty good. We got them out. Gonna take off these bolts right now, pull the crankshaft out. I think it'll be fixable. Shouldn't be a problem. I think the shop should be able to machine this in like a week or two. I don't know how long it's gonna take them. We should be assembling the motor again. In the meantime, my dad's probably going to take the heads off. We're going to clean them out, clean the intake valves, change the piston rings, do all that while the shop's doing their job. So, yeah, at least we got somewhat good news today. We went to work, I came right on time, got to pull the pit, take out the rods, disconnect them. So, right now we're about to be pulling the crankshaft out. And probably gonna take it to the shop tomorrow, and since I have a day off and I have the time, so I'm gonna take it to the shop. Hopefully they tell me they could machine it. Guess I'll let you know how that goes. So we just pulled all these off, all 4 of them. I'm gonna disconnect the pistons right now, just push them off. The crankshaft's gonna come right out. So there's a little bit of scuffs right there and right there, second, third cylinders. Otherwise, the rest look pretty good. So just a quick update after yesterday, because I know I kind of ended the video weirdly. I just took the crankshaft to the machine shop. The guy told me that it's in a pretty good condition and that we probably don't even have to touch the main journals, and the crankshaft didn't get bent from the rod knock, which usually happens, he says. So we're just gonna have to grind the rod journals. Said he should have it done by the beginning of next week actually, which is in like 5 days, so that's super quick. So hopefully we'll be assembling the motor next week, a couple days, and hopefully he gets it done quick. Hopefully he tells me that it's all good, and yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Next video will probably be about assembling the motor and then putting it back in the car, so keep you guys posted.